I checked out Fedora KDE in 2025, and honestly, it's one of the most impressive Linux experiences I've tried this year. The combination of Fedora's cutting-edge updates and the sleek KDE Plasma desktop makes for a fast, modern, and highly customizable environment. Everything feels responsive, from boot times to opening apps, which makes it appealing if speed is a priority. KDE Plasma continues to shine with its flexibility. You can tweak almost every aspect of the interface, set up widgets, and organize workflows exactly how you like. Fedora brings the latest software packages, updated kernels, and strong security features, so you're getting both performance and reliability. Package management via DNF is smooth, and Flatpak integration means installing newer apps is easier than ever. That said, Fedora KDE is more suited to users who don't mind frequent updates and occasional tweaks to keep everything running perfectly. If you want a low-maintenance system, a more stable distro like Ubuntu LTS might be a better fit. Overall, Fedora KDE in 2025 feels fast, polished, and versatile. If you enjoy customizing your Linux experience and want top-tier performance, it's definitely worth checking out. Just be ready for a bit of hands-on management along the way.